Found a new whiskey today. Never seen it before. Could it be hard to find? It was only 20 bucks. It was at Costco. Can it be any good? Let's find out. Like I said, I was at Costco today and I've never seen Costco Bourbon at all. This was distilled by Barton's 1792 Distillery. Don't think I've ever had anything from them before. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. Before I do so, gotta get my palate acclimated with something I am familiar with. Today we're going to choose let's do some Old Forester single barrel. Just a little sip, get my taste buds opened up, my palate ready for a new bourbon. Do not expect this to be anything close to this, but proof will open your taste buds up. That is, it's heaven in a bottle. If you find that, get it. Delicious stuff. So this was 20 bucks for a liter, not $7.50, but for the full liter, 20 bucks. This is on Jack Daniels for $1.75 for 25 bucks. And Jim Beam, 1.75 for 25 bucks. Jack Daniels is not that cheap. You get a glass bottle, not a plastic squeeze bottle. It's a small batch. We'll see if that matters. A lot of butterscotch on that nose there, which was unexpected at this price range. But let's try it in our Glencairn here. There's so much caramel, so much just dark brown candy. Oak, non-existent whatsoever. Might be a touch of oak on the palate, but on the nose it's just not there. The palate is almost completely different than the nose. Kind of makes me want to go out and try the other Barton Distillery bourbons, see how they compare to this. Is it good? Sure. Is it great? No. Is this worth 20 bucks? Yes. It's on par with Buffalo Trace if you like Buffalo Trace. Why not? It's not boozy. It's only 94, 92 proof. Nothing wrong with that. I do tend to like my proofs more now than I used to. Like this is 128, and this is 92. It's good. It has its place in the market. The only other Costco alcohol I've ever had was their vodka, and to me vodka is vodka. I don't taste any difference between their vodka and very, very, very expensive vodkas. It's just ethanol, and that's it. So if you've had this, what would you compare it to? If I can find what you compare it to, I'll compare it to it. Is there any other bourbons from Barton's that I should give this comparison to? I'll check it out if I can find it. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget, while you're down there, like and subscribe, leave a comment. Do all those other YouTube things that you like, But hey, if you go to Costco, give it a shot. There's no reason not to. See you in the next one. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.